Nothing better than a picture-perfect weekend, so let's get together and find all the cool stuff going on so that you can have a great time. Localtarians, welcome back to the Local Love Report, and this is for February 18th, 19th, and 20th. That's going to be your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, full of fun things to do, and we are ready to tell them all to you. So let's get started and head into the weekend. Friday, 7 a.m., The Blooms, Nevertheless. 10 AG at a Soundgarden by Locallovenow Contemporary Center. 9:30 a.m. Ionics at Autronicon at Orlando Science Center. 2 p.m. on Friday, Orlando 5K Packet Pickup at Fleet Feet Orlando. 5 p.m. Oviedo Night Market 2022 at Oviedo Brewing Company. Come on out and enjoy this amazing market. Find all the goodies they've got going on there and have a great drink while you're in the house. 5:30 p.m. 2022 City Art Jam at Ace Cafe Orlando. 6 p.m. on Friday, Mad Science Kids Night Out at Mad Science Laboratory in Oviedo. Bring the kids and let them get a little science-y. 6:30 p.m. Love of Everything, Joan of Arc and future bartenders on the Dirty Laundry patio at Dirty Laundry. $5 to get into this amazing show full of local acts. Make sure you get out there and support our local musicians. 7 p.m. 152 Productions presents Chris and the Chemtrails, Biscayne, Love Child, Original Issue, Matterhorn, all at a Soundgarden by Locallovenow Contemporary Center. Come on out and enjoy this great venue and support locals every way you can. 8 p.m. on Friday, Phantasmagoria, Hauntingly Romantic Tales at Theater West End. $20 to $24 will get you into this amazingly beautiful experience, and that'll be going on until February 19th. 9 p.m. on Friday, the Reverend Peyton's Big Damn Band, Sicard Hollow, all playing live at Tuffy's Music Box. $15, you can come out and enjoy this amazing venue and these wonderful local acts. All right, guys, that's going to bring us to the heat of the weekend. Let's get into Saturday. All right, guys, 9 a.m. on Saturday, Mount Dora Scottish Highland Festival 2022 at Donley Park. $10 will get you into this amazing festival. Come on out and enjoy a little bit more about Scottish heritage and these wonderful, wonderful games. 9 a.m. Clued Up Games presents CSI Orlando. For more info and tickets, please go to the description. You'll find a link of all of our links down below in this video and learn what you need to do to get out there and see if you can solve that murder case. This is a chance for you to experience life as a crime scene investigator, and you can enjoy it in this outdoor murder mystery event, and it's coming to Orlando this Saturday. So go to the link in the description to get all the details. 10 a.m. on Saturday, Art and History Museums of Maitland Family Day. All right, guys, bring your kids, bring your husband, bring everybody on out to the museum and learn a little bit more about art and history and make a day of it. 10 a.m. on Saturday, Bee Hotel and Pollinator Garden Project at Cayley Square Park. They're going to be creating bee hotels and revamping the pollinator garden by planting native pollinator plants and weeding. So come on out and be part of this amazing step towards protecting the bees. 11 a.m. Art and Wellness Sound Walk at Mead Botanical Gardens. This free event is going to be a great way to spend your Saturday, a little more relaxed and a little bit more musical. So come on out and have a lovely time walking around Mead Garden. 12 p.m. Cupid's Undie Run at Elixir, Orlando. This charity fundraiser is $45 to participate in. Come on out and have a little fun pretending you're Cupid running around in your undies, but it'll be a great cause. 2 p.m. Rockin' Robinson Music Festival at the Milk District. $8 will get you into this amazing festival. And of course, all your favorite locals will be there. Going to be great vendors and just overall a musical day to remember. So make sure you get out to the Milk District and enjoy this great festival. 6 p.m. Fame DTO at 39 South Magnolia Avenue, Orlando. Fame stands for fashion, art, music experience, and will feature local artisans showcasing various forms of artistic expression in the heart of downtown Orlando. So come on out and enjoy it for yourself. 7 p.m. on Saturday, Blankets and Big Screen Movie Night at Nora's Sugar Shack. Come on out, get out under those covers, and have a wonderful time enjoying this great movie night. 8 p.m. on Saturday, My Bloody Valentine at the Geeky Z. All right, guys, if you want even more great things for your weekend or for every day, don't forget to go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page and follow us there. Every single day of the week, we do put a new event post at the top of our page, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Check it out today. All right, guys, let's get into Sunday. All right, guys, WUCF presents Kindness Month and virtual Be My Neighbor Day online all February long. Go down to the link in the description to learn how you can be a little more kind and enjoy being a neighbor. 9 a.m. Facial massage with cooling glacial shells. 6 CEs at Central Florida School of Massage Therapy. Come on out and have a little you time. 10 a.m. on Sunday, Pausing for Pets, Conway Community Center. Come on out and learn how you can enjoy more with your pets. And of course, they will be having other events, including memorials and things of that nature all day long. So make sure you go over to the Conway Community Market and enjoy that. And that is at 3701 Gatlin Avenue in Orlando. 10 a.m. Drum Discovery Workshop, how to find your sound at El Camino School. Do you play drums, but you just can't quite seem to figure out what your own beat is? Well, come check this out and learn how to relax and discover what your sound and style is. And they have so many wonderful courses at El Camino School, so make sure you check out their curriculum for all their upcoming workshops. 11 a.m. I'm just happy to be here at Etoile Boutique. All right, guys, come on out and check out this beautiful little boutique and see all the great stuff they have and enjoy this fun little event. You're going to have a great time. It's always a beautiful time to visit this spot. 11:30 a.m. Mythical Mornings, Mermaids and Mimosas at Orange County Regional History Center. Come on out and experience a mythical morning where you're going to learn all about mermaids and other mythical creatures and enjoy this beautiful experience. 12 p.m. Bliss and a Kiss presents Winter Park Wedding Stroll at the Alphon Inn. For more information and info on tickets, go down to the link in the description and we're happy to share that with you so that you can learn all you need to about this great event. It's going to be a great time and a lot of fun for all you upcoming folks looking to have weddings. You're going to get to network and meet other vendors and learn how to enhance your experience for your own wedding. So come on out and enjoy this beautiful day. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Nonsense at Theater South Playhouse. $25 and up will get you into this amazing stage production. Come on out and enjoy a little fun with some nuns. 8 p.m. on Sunday, Control This, Fatties, Entity Rebel Music, Dougie Flesh, and the Slashers at Will's Pub Orlando. $10 will get you into this amazing show. You're going to find just the right sound to enjoy for this one. So come on out and support local venues and the music that plays there. 9:30 p.m. Ted K at Enzian Theater. Coming out to this great movie and experience the Enzian. They have a great full open bar. You're going to have a lovely experience. Hey guys, we have a new coloring book that's out. Make sure you go over to Amazon. We'll put the link in the description and check out our new beautiful coloring book for yourself. It's going to be a great way to experience coffee in full color. All right, guys, if you want to reach out to us, this is how you can find us. And other than that, peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.